Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add a new address on Zalando. How do you do that? First things first, I'd like you to launch your Zalando account, which of course we have done right here. Then the next thing I'm going to walk you through the process of creating your own account. Launch in a browser of your choice and in the search bar type zalando.com. That's going to take you to the official website for Zalando. When you get to the website, follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. So once you've done this successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Zalando. So now directly let's hop into today's task, which is how to add a new address on Zalando. Let's say when you were creating your account, you were asked to add an address and you want to add a new address because you relocated. Here's exactly what you can do. From this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen and you're going to see this human figure, all right, that represents your account settings. So from here, you're going to see an extended menu that says your account, orders, return item, help and contact, and the others. So go ahead and click on your account. And once you click on your account, it's going to take you to your account window where you're going to see a lot of personalized settings in here. We can see how we can change our address to something better. So head over to or something new. Okay, so head over to the left corner of your screen. You're going to see overview, orders, return an item, returns, personal details, addresses. So go ahead and click on addresses, and once you click on addresses, it's going to open up this window. You already have an existing address, so if you want to add a new address, this is the core of this tutorial. Just go ahead and click on this plus icon that says add address, and once you click on that, then you will now be able to fill this out. So add your first name, add your last name, and then your country, of course, and then this you're going to have to add your address here, and then find the address. The postcode here's for your postcode, so add the postcode to find the address, or you can just go ahead and click on enter address manually, and when you click on this, you can now add your own address manually instead of just finding this address using the postcode. Okay, so once you click on the postcode, then you can click on find address and the address will pop. But if you don't want to use this feature, you can just go ahead and add the address manually. Address line 1 or address line 2, you can add the second address, but that's not compulsory, or compulsory, it's optional. Add the town and city. Once you do that, you can now click on this. If you want to check this default billing address, you can just click on this check. If you don't want that, and check. And then if you want this default delivery address, check it. If you don't want it, uncheck. And once you're done filling out this form, go ahead and click on save. And of course, once you click on save, you're going to see that your new address is going to be added and it's going to be saved successfully. This is pretty much how you can add a new address on Zalando. You can go watch the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.